If your Discover page is filled with content you don't care about, stick around, because I'll show you how to turn off Discover on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Stories icon to head into the Discover section. Now, find a video you don't want showing up anymore. Press and hold on that video until a menu pops up. Tap Hide this content. That post will immediately disappear from your Discover feed. Want to go a step further? If there's a creator you never want to see again, long press on one of their videos, then tap their profile name. In the top right corner, tap the three dots, select Hide this content, and confirm. Once you refresh your Discover page, content from that creator won't show up anymore. Unfortunately, Snapchat doesn't let you completely turn off Discover, but this is the fastest way to make it way more enjoyable. And that's it. If this helped, drop a like, follow for more quick tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.